Hello, everyone. Welcome to Nilanjana's exclusive English lesson. So, today we are going to discuss proposal writing, which is there in your ISC English language paper. Okay. Now, let's understand what is the main objective of a proposal writing. Now, proposal writing means when you are giving your idea to someone who is an authoritative figure, and you are actually persuading the person to say an yes to your project so that the project can be carried out further. And of course, the funds and the other permissions, the other necessary requirements should be, you would be getting that help to carry it out. A proposal is not just a request for permission. You need to understand that in the very beginning you have to write it in a persuasive and a very structured manner, because as I said, what is the goal? The goal is to convince an authority figure and approve and fund a specific project. So there are now, how do you understand the layout? So I'm going to give you the complete layout. For that, you need to listen to the video till the end. And also, if this video is helping you, if this video is giving you value, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. And please share it with at least one of your friends. Let's begin. Now, the first thing is a title. So you need to give a very clear title where you are actually capturing the essence of your project. So the title has to be very specific. Then we come to the objectives, like what is the objective of the program? Let's say you want to start a literary club. You are writing a proposal, you're putting forward a proposal to start a literary club, right? So there you need to put out a paragraph, you need to give some objectives. So just understand what can be the objective of starting a literary club. So this requires basic understanding. Whenever we are opening or starting a literary club, the first thing is to uh, make sure that children, they have a sense of literary temperament. They understand the various literary genres. They learn to read and appreciate the works of renowned authors, poets. So these are the objectives, right? So whenever you get a question, first you have to think, you have to understand and deeply analyze what can be the objective of this program. Let's say you want to start an environment club, you want to start, as I said, a reading club. So what can be the objective? So in this way, the objectives, you need to think deeply and frame it. Okay, maximum 3 to 4 points, not more than that. And you also have to keep it in mind that when you write down the objective, the aim is that there is a gap, there's a problem, and with this proposal, that gap will be rectified. So let's say children don't read books, and for that, you're starting a literary club or a reading club. Okay. So in this way, like for example, there's lack of greenery in your residential area. There's lack of greenery in the school campus area. So that for that you need to start an environment club. For that, plants will be there all around, and then there would be saplings. Children would bring saplings, and they're going to plant it, right? So they will get that feeling instilled in their mind that environment is very important for them. Now, after you talk about the objective, you're going to talk about the list of measures. List of measures means like the steps to be taken, how you want to carry it out. So, yes, so how, when, where, all these things needs to be written in the list of measures. And finally, the statement like urgency and value, that how you're looking forward, that there should be a yes to the proposal, and then whatever objectives you thought about, that can be carried out without any lapses. So I'm going to take you through the format now, but I wanted to give you a fair idea about what is proposal writing. So let's begin the format. Let's go and check the format. And I'm also going to share with you a few examples. So yes, as I say, please stick around till the end of the video. And once you've got your proposal outline ready on paper, you will also need to type it up. So if you're looking for a solid, budget-friendly machine for school projects, I've tagged a couple of great options below, like the Lenovo Ideal Pad and standard iPads. They handle Google Docs formatting and research perfectly without costing a fortune. Now, coming back to proposal writing, the question today is, as a member of the student council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a science club. Write a proposal in about 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully establish this particular club. Now, you want to start a science club. For that, you are writing a proposal, or maybe, in other words, writing a document to look for permission. So, first of all, the introduction. Okay. So, the introduction over here is to foster an interest in science outside the classroom and introduce students to the wonders and relevance of science in our lives. We propose to set up a science club in school. So this is the introduction, that what is this proposal all about? First is to set up a science club, and why, main in one line, that they should develop some interest in science outside the classroom. And they should also understand how science is relevant in their daily lives. For that, you want to start a science club. Maximum 2 sentences, and you have 2 marks for this. Next, we come to the objectives. Now, when you write objectives, you have to write objectives like this, put a colon, and then you have to go ahead with the objectives. What is the objective? A science club will help students overcome. So I have highlighted this in yellow because this is something you have to use these kind of sentence constructions. A science club will help students overcome their phobias regarding science. Instead of phobias, you can also write fear. It will be instrumental in developing the scientific curiosity of students through its activities and programs. More or less, if you learn the format, you can replace it with the topic that you get. Let's say instead of science club, you get literary club. So then again, we have to replace it with the relevant phrases. But then you just try to keep it simple, keeping in mind the format that is getting shared. So here also we have 2 points, 2 marks. One is the middle school activity room will be used as the room for all science club meetings and activities. Okay. Next is, how frequently will you all meet? The meetings will take place once a week after school from 2 p.m. till 3:30 p.m. Any activities such as talks by scientists or competitions will take place on Saturdays. Membership of the science club will be open to all students from 6th to 12th. The club president will be Mr. Sinha, our senior physics teacher. 8 other office bearers will be elected from the members of the club. Club membership has been fixed at rupees 250 per member per year. The club will have a range of activities ranging from science fairs, robot making, creating slogans, posters, documentaries, and so on. So 4 points are here. Minimum 4 points you have to write. And again, how you write it is how and when. How you're going to conduct it, when and where. Also, how, when, and where. Hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the science club becomes a reality in the life of the school. This question is, as a member of the students wing of the RWA of your colony, you have been assigned the responsibility of organizing a kite flying event in your colony on the occasion of Independence Day. So the event is kite flying and the occasion is Independence Day. The event would entail making kites. There would be prizes for the best kites in terms of appearance and performance. Write a proposal in not more than 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully organize the event. Now the heading. Proposal for organizing a kite flying event as a member of the students wing of the RWA on the occasion of Independence Day. Fine. This will help them understand how to coordinate in group activities. So this is how you write a proposal, and I hope this video helped you to understand how to frame, how to write the layout, how you write the list of measures, and so on. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a great day ahead. With your language section on track, let's get your literature preparation sorted out as well. Click right here to join me for a detailed line-by-line analysis of Macbeth, Act 1, Scene 1, and let's ace your English paper 2 together.